Hey Cardinals, today I'm going to show you how to add comments to text on a Google document, in this case Google Slides. So I get to the slide where I want to add comments, and then I'm going to read through the text, and then when I find something that I want to comment on, I'm going to highlight it within the text box, and then I'm going to click this Open Comment History. I'm going to click Comment, which adds a comment, and then I'm going to type my response. So I want to tell Valerie that I really love creating things in art too. Like, I identify with this. So I'm going to say, and then once you comment, it is there for the student to read. And then to respond to somebody else's comment, you're going to click on the comment, and then it says reply to others. And you could say, and then reply. So you can comment on the text, or you can respond to comments. So that is how you post comments on Google Slides. Good luck!